Alright guys, so we're going to go over something real quick here. This is the results of the getting better photos in seconds of Photolemur versus Aurora HDR. So here's your beginning photo. Here's your Aurora HDR. As you could tell in the sky and in this little hill right here, you have more detail. And then if you notice the results of the Photolemur compared to the original image, it's more vibrant and colorful, but you have a lack of detail compared to the result of what you get here in Aurora HDR. So Aurora HDR, to me, it kind of seems like a more happy medium of not being too blown out color-wise compared to what this one looks like, and you get more detail compared to the softness of that. So that's why I prefer using Aurora HDR whenever I'm using this method. Now, one problem is if we zoom in here, you're going to see the corner of this photo, and there's a little, just really a slight bit of noise. But if you look at the Aurora HDR version, you're getting a considerable amount of noticeable noise in this image. So if we open Aurora HDR and say this is a fresh edit, I haven't done anything else, all I did was drop it in and I put a mask on here. Okay, so now if we take this image layer and we push this right here, is this little brush, and then we push brush, we can basically take and draw in. So we can just take and draw in a mask and select the areas that we want to edit. So we just do, something like this real quick. You'll actually want to go around it very nice, but this is just for the purpose of showing you how to clean this up really quick. So then whenever we get done drawing our mask on there, you just go down to HDR denoise, okay, and then you just drag this up and you'll see that the sky is getting softer and looking much better. So now if you compare the sky before and after, this is how bad it looks and that's how good it looks. Now the corner here looked the worst, so I'm just going to draw a basic square right here in the middle of that, just to show you the result that you're going to get. So now you could tell this area, it's drastically different and more refined. Now if you zoom out, at a normal size view, you're never going to notice any of that in there. So if you take this result and you compare it to the Photolemur result, you're going to notice that you're actually more capable of getting better overall results by doing one extra step. You're able to eliminate all of that but have a much more natural looking and a little bit more sharper image than you would going through the Photolemur method. So I'm going to end this video here, and thank you for watching and have a good one, guys.